What's going on, everyone? Sorry this took me so long to get everything all set up, but we're here, we're going, we got this all set. 1:17 p.m. Got our list. Jaron Brown at the bottom, Jaron at the top. Thank you for taking over those 2 spots. Minimum of 5. 6. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Philip at the top. Kyle at the bottom. 118. Final round. Here we go. Jeff at the top. Casey I. Smith. Richie Osterberg. Congratulations, everyone. We're going to have another mini posted in just a little bit.